Introducing eFlip Magazine, a student-based technical electronic magazine. I, Tulsi Krishna Gannavaram V, being the managing director of eFlip Magazine, would like to propose our startup. This magazine was started on 2nd April 2020 by a group of engineering students of my class. The office of eFlip is located in Warangal Urban District of Telangana State in India. Presently, eFlip is offering various internship programs. As of now, eFlip had published 5 editions, and I am proud to announce that eFlip had received 4.9 on a scale of 5-star rating in Google. The problem faced by majority of the people in society is lack of knowledge and awareness regarding the updations in field of science and technology. The technical staff is unable to meet with the requirements of learners in society. People are unable to understand the world's finest technology advances. In order to meet these requirements, eFlip had come up with an innovative solution. eFlip has been started with the aim of delivering the state-of-art information about the existing and upcoming technologies and enlighten the working principles in science and technology. eFlip is an electronic magazine started to encourage the students to connect with the technical advances. eFlip operates all its activities through electronic platform like website and email. The articles are collected from students of different domains, thereby helping authors in improving their writing skills. eFlip focuses on a point of learn, share and educate. The reader's time is given the utmost priority by having the premium content in science and technology that can be easily understandable. The target beneficiaries are classified under 2 categories: readers and authors. Readers are the students from both technical and non-technical education background, whereas the authors are the students who are pursuing various programs of study and have enthusiasm towards updations in technology. The methodology used in eFlip is user-friendly. eFlip has an exclusive website to perform all its activities. The team invites the students to submit the articles through a digital platform in website. These articles are collected by editorial team and checked for plagiarism. Then proofreading takes place. The chief editor finalizes the articles to be published in further editions. eFlip maintains consistency and delivers enriched editions every month. The team also expands the number of interns whenever required. eFlip uses various digital marketing techniques such as social media marketing, Google AdSense, and campus ambassadors. The major technology intervention used in eFlip is Flip HTML5. This platform helps readers to feel like turning the pages of a book while reading. eFlip always reaches the readers through its website. This website has reached visitor count of more than 130,000 with a short span of 100 days. The website is supported by HTML and CSS. Certify-M is an add-on present in Google Forms to generate certificates automatically. Embedding these Google Forms in website guarantees the authors and interns that they receive certificates automatically. eFlip has been marketing their magazine through Google AdSense in YouTube and Gmail. eFlip also works on various social media platforms. eFlip maintains a cloud storage to store all its editions and create a digital library for upcoming editions such that the stakeholders can access them whenever they want. eFlip would like to create a SQL database and create a platform to all its campus ambassadors to monitor their services and work more efficiently. The team is also looking for conversion of text-to-speech service so that the readers can have a clear picture on pronunciation of words of article. I am proud to announce that eFlip had gained 6,000 plus subscribers in short period with a rating of 4.9 on a scale of 5-star rating given in the Google. Further, in its every edition, A quiz contest is being conducted. eFlip offer various internship programs as an article writer, campus ambassador, and mobile app developer. The applications received for the article writer are around 6,000 plus, out of which 300 students belonging to different domains have been selected for this internship program. Presently, eFlip has around 82 students from various institutions assigned for the role of campus ambassador of eFlip. For the mobile app developer, more than 100 applications have been received, out of which 75 students are selected on the merit basis. These days, most of the magazines are being functioning in various domains such as movies, sports, health, entertainment, news, etc. But eFlip does not think these magazines are competitors of eFlip because it publishes the articles pertaining to science and technology, thereby increasing the student community to improve their technical skills. Focusing on strengths of the team members of eFlip, the team consists of 5 ongoing engineering students. The 5 students acts as 5 senses of the startup. The team always tries to improvise services offered by eFlip to reader community by encouraging the feedback given by the stakeholders. eFlip offers a free service to readers and writer community. The major revenue generation is done through the advertisement section of each edition. eFlip charges around 5,000 rupees for an advertisement to be published in the editions. Collaborating and having MOUs with certain institutions and industry, thereby offering more internship programs to their students. eFlip charges a friendly price for having MOUs with these organizations. eFlip had expanded its wings in different public domains like website, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Blogger, YouTube, Amazon Kindle, and Google. The guidelines for writing an article in eFlip are: the article should be related to science and technology. The information present should be informative, pleasant, and should not create any ambiguity in the reader's mind. eFlip does not encourage in publishing any plagiarized content. Therefore, the article should be 100% unique. The total investment till now is 35,000 rupees, which is used for trademark registration, website hosting, posters, scribbling pads, logo design, stationery, G Suite account, PPT editing, etc. With this little investment, eFlip is able to gain a considerable milestone with regards to subscribers, authors, readers, and interns. The proposed budget plan is 5,50,000 rupees, which can be used for printing posters, scribbling pads to be circulated among various institutions in India. This amount is also spent for making web mobile app, social media marketing, email marketing, YouTube advertisement, search engine optimization, proofreading, graphical editing, personal interaction, and promotional activities. The expected outcome of eFlip is to enrich the reader with ample amount of knowledge regarding the technological developments. Also, become a kingpin in knowledge sharing among the students and offer more internships and conducting quiz competitions to emerge as a global icon in digital era. The future plan of eFlip is to create a series of articles that speak about the industry relevance and make them written by global leaders. This further strengthens the content of the edition and increases the depth of the content. Thank you for spending time in listening to the startup proposal of eFlip magazine. For further clarification, please contact us through email or mobile. This is Tulsi Krishna Ganavaram V signing off.